Children, you have studied about the methods of heat transfer, means the flow of heat from one body to another. And the three methods are the conduction, the convection, and radiation. Children, the important and interesting phenomena occurs due to the convection in the coastal areas. Means the people living in the coastal areas experiences an interesting phenomena due to the convection. Children, during the day, the land gets heated faster than water. At the daytime, the land gets heated faster than water. Means the land surface gets heated faster than the water, sea water. Children, as the air becomes hot, it rises up. Clear? So the air just above the land surface becomes hot and it rises up because it is lighter. So it rises up, and the cold air, which are heavier than the, rushes towards the land from the sea, where it rushes, the cooler air rushes from the sea to take the place of the lighter air which rises up. Means the cooler air from the sea moves towards the land. The warm air from the land moves toward the sea to complete the cycle. Means the warm air moves toward the sea and the cold air moves toward the land. It means there is a circulation of air takes place. And the air from the sea is called sea breeze. Clear? To receive the cooler air or the cooler sea breezes, the window of the houses in the coastal areas are made to the face of the sea. See the simple cycle that the hotter air moves toward the sea, takes the places of the cooler air, and the cooler air moves towards the land to take the place of lighter or the warmer air. This is the circulation between the cooler air and the warmer air. So this is called the sea breeze because the cooler air comes from the sea towards the land and it occurs in the daytime. Okay, now at the night. Children, just reverse of the daytime occurs at the night time. Children, the water cools down more slowly than the land. So the cool air from the land moves toward the sea. Okay, these all phenomena, don't confuse, these all phenomena only depend on the cool air. During the daytime, the cool air or the cool breezes come from the sea towards the land surface. That is why it is called sea breeze. And at the night, the water cools slowly than the land surface. Therefore, it is very clear that the land surface becomes cool more faster in comparison to the water. So, the cooler air from the land surface moves towards the sea. That is why it is called as land breeze. Means the cool air comes towards the hot air of the sea and the hot air from the sea moves towards the where? Toward the land surface. But in daytime, the hot air from the land surface comes towards the sea and the cool air from the sea moves towards the land surface. So these all are about sea breeze and land breeze. This is an interesting phenomena which is experienced by the people who are living near the coastal areas. Thank you. Have a very good day.